friends, myself Jagdish, and today I am here to explain about the Havells water purifier. So the Havells team has launched the Havells water purifier in the market recently. So myself Jagdish has launched the Havells water purifier at Mahalakshmi Electricals, Manargudi. So friends, if you all need any Havells water purifier, please do contact me. There are 5 models in Havells water purifier. The first model in Havells is DigiTouch. DigiTouch is the most advanced model in Havells water purifier. So let's speak about the specifications of the DigiTouch model. So friends, the first specification of DigiTouch is the digital clock. Second, we further move on to the filter life indicator. Next is the UV indicator. The fourth specification is the preventive maintenance indicator, and the fifth one is converter multi-filter. Last but not the least, it's the error indicator. So these specifications were for the DigiTouch model. So for any order, please do WhatsApp on the number given below, 8220022604. It's my number. So friends, further we'll move on to the next model. So the second model is the DigiPlus model. So let's move on to the specifications of the DigiPlus model. Purification process indicator. It's the tank full indicator, and then the filter life indicator, and further it's the UV indicator. Last but not the least, it's the preventive maintenance indicator. So guys, these were the specifications of the DigiPlus model. If you all need this model, contact me, myself Jagdish, and I have given my WhatsApp number below. Need any queries? If you all have any queries or any doubts, if you all need this model, I am ready to send wherever you all need it. So please do support guys, contact on this WhatsApp number. So guys, the third model is the Max model. It's the third model in Havells water purifier. So further we'll move on to the specifications of the Max model. So the first specification of Max model is self-diagnostic mode, and the second one is purification process indicator. So the third one is error indicator. So the fourth, last but not the least, it's the tank full indicator. Friends, the last 3 models of the Havells water purifier does not have too much of difference. So if you all need this model, contact my WhatsApp number given below. So further we'll move on to the next model friends, which is the Pro model. In Havells water purifier, it's the 4th water purifier. It's known as the Pro model. So it has the same specifications as the Max model. The self-diagnostic mode, further it's the purification process indicator, third it's the error indicator, and fourth it is the tank full indicator. So the same specifications as Max, Pro, and so the last model in Havells is UV Plus. So friends, this is the lowest model in Havells, the basic, the startup, and it has the same specifications as the Max and the Pro. The purification process indicator, then the error indicator, and last but not the least, the tank full indicator. Friends, these were the 5 models of the Havells water purifier. It's a very good brand as well as a very good product friends. Once when you all use it, next time you will think to move to the other brand. That good it is. Okay friends, if you all need any electrical good products, let it be wires or whatever it is, let it be the plumbing divisions also, you will get everything at one place, and that is Mahalakshmi Electricals, which is in Tamilnadu. I'll support you guys. I need all your support from your side. I have my own shop. I'll send you the products wherever you all want. Need your support, guys. So further, I have just put some pics of my shop, the interior designs of my shop. Whatever products you all need your full support, guys. And checking out.